with my disability since I was born. I've struggled kind of getting on an upright bike, and the recumbent actually gives me the ability to go places that I would never be able to go. My disability has basically, my left leg is affected my left hand, and the stiffness within the hamstrings, it just tightened up in 2019 very, very quickly. I was using a walking stick, I was getting a cab to work and a cab home. Within the space of a month of cycling, my stiffness, my need of a walking stick, my need of my wife helping me out of the taxi, just all went away. It just built up muscle that I've never had before on my left side, and I can go in the back roads or through estates, and I can keep going, I can keep moving. You know, Galway is a lovely city. It's right on our doorstep. We kind of forget that we have all these amenities and lovely walks and stuff like that around Galway. People with disabilities are people as well, and they have ambitions and hobbies, and cycling in my life has become not only a hobby but a lifestyle.